Knowing how to add titles to your video is a really good skill. Titles are really popular on social media videos because they can help tell the story with the audio turned off, which people tend to do if they're watching the videos at work or on public transport. To add titles in Movie Maker, you head up to the Home tab and you have the Title, Caption and Credits option. If you select Title, it will create a full screen title before where your playhead was sitting on the timeline. Here you can change what it says, and you can change the font size. Here is where you change the font color. You can change how clear it is with the transparency. You can also change the background color of the black box, and you can change how long it's on the screen for. So that's how a full screen title works. Over here there's also some options as to how the words appear, so you can play with those. So that was the title option. A caption, if we choose a clip where we want to add a caption, say we're going to introduce who this person here is, we would choose that caption option, and that lets us put the title on top of the image without a solid background. So this is probably the one you want to use the most. It's the cleanest looking. The same applies with changing the font. You've got all the options here, the movement options as well. One thing I would just give as a tip is to make sure you don't put these titles too low, because sometimes they can get covered up when you place them on social media. So say you want to have a name for this person, you know, place it sort of up here rather than right down the bottom of your video. If you want to change where your caption appears in your video, you can simply move it on the timeline like this. It's that easy. Lastly, for titles, you can do the credits option, which goes straight to the end of your video. It's the type of thing that you see at the end of the movie. You're pretty unlikely to need to use this unless you've made like a short film or something like that, but that option is there if you need it. So there you have it. That's where you have the opportunity to add some titles and jazz up your video a little bit.